So today we are going to talk about the blood corpuscles. So there are many types of blood corpuscles. We have here erythrocytes, leukocytes and platelets. So first of all, we are going to talk about the erythrocytes. They have a good concentration of hemoglobin in them. The shape is biconcave discs they are, and they have no nucleus in them. The lifespan of erythrocytes are 120 days. And the function is they help to deliver oxygen throughout the tissue of the body. And then we have leukocytes here. There are two types of leukocytes. There are granulocytes and agranulocytes. So the granulocytes are neutrophils, eosinophils and basophils, and agranulocytes we have monocytes and lymphocytes. Then we are going to talk about the platelets. So platelets come from the myeloid cell named megakaryocyte, which is a really large cell which gives rise to thousands of fragments that are called platelets. So they also do not have their own nucleus in them. So they are actually cell fragments, not actual cells. They also have function. Their function is clotting the blood. When there is any kind of injury in our body, they help to clot the blood. So what is the help in it? So they help to prevent the loss of blood, also helps to prevent the invasion of pathogens in our body through the clot they forms. So next we are going to talk about the granulocytes and agranulocytes. Now we are going to talk more into detail about the leukocytes. So there are granulocytes. These are neutrophils, eosinophils and basophils. So here we have included a figure of neutrophils. So neutrophils are multilobed. They have multilobed nucleus. Alright. As they are granulocytes, they will always have the granules in them, right? And they have phagosomes. So they constitute 50 to 70% of the white blood cells. They are much more in number than other leukocytes in the white blood cells. So they help in the phagocytosis by engulfing the bacteria, and that's how they do the phagocytosis. Then we have eosinophil. Eosinophil also have bilobed nucleus. The neutrophil has multilobed and this has bilobed nucleus in them. As they are also granulocytes, they have their granules in them. They basically help in the defense of parasitic organisms in our body. So how they actually work? They releases contents from their granules and cluster around the parasitic organisms, which damages the membrane of parasitic organisms membranes, and that's how they help to eliminate the parasitic organisms. They also contribute in the asthma and also allergic responses. Then the next granulocyte we have basophil. Basophil also has granules, as it is also a granulocyte. It also has nucleus in it, which might not be lobed or might be lobed. It is a non-phagocytic granulocyte. All right, it is non-phagocytic. Just like the eosinophil, it also helps in parasitic defense, prevent the parasitic organisms. Moreover, it has a unique characteristic, which is its granules releases histamines and heparins, which helps to increase the permeability of blood vessels. So how does it help? So when the permeability of the blood vessel increases, the immune cells can go to the infected area more easily. So in that cause, basophil helps by releasing histamine and heparin. Then comes the agranulocytes. They are monocytes and lymphocytes. Monocytes is a really important phagocytic cell, and it is really expert in doing the phagocytosis. So first, when it is in the circulation system, it is called monocytes. and when it goes to the tissue in the infected area, it transfers into macrophage. And the macrophage is larger, tenfold larger than the monocytes. It also has lysosome in it, and lysosome releases many kinds of enzymes which helps to digest the bacteria. So it also does phagocytosis by engulfing the bacteria, and through the enzymatic reaction of lysosome, it digests the bacteria and helps to eliminate the bacteria or pathogens. Then comes the lymphocytes. There are two types of lymphocytes. There are B cells and T cells. These are also agranulocytes, as they have no granules in them. So B cells are of two types. They can be antibodies or can be memory cells. Antibodies helps to catch the antigens or pathogens, and the memory cell helps to retain the memory, so that when there is another invasion of the same pathogen, the body can react to it in the same way. And then comes the T cell. T cell helps in killing the cell. So the response of T cell, we call it cell mediated response, as it kills the pathogen. So these are where the granulocytes, and these were the blood corpuscles that circulate through our body. That was it for me. Thank you.